Presenting Samsung Galaxy M51. This smartphone is available in celestial black and electric blue color variants. You can choose from two memory variants of 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal memory and 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal memory. The internal memory is expandable up to 512GB. The smartphone supports dual Nano-SIM with 4G network on dual standby and dual VoLTE. The 6.7-inch SuperAMOLED Infinity O display with FHD plus capacitive touchscreen, 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution and 394 ppi gives you an immersive viewing experience. This Samsung smartphone also features fast face unlock, GPS, music player, video player, accelerometer, fingerprint sensor, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensor, RGB light sensor, proximity sensor and email. This Samsung smartphone has a 64-megapixel main camera along with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5-megapixel depth camera and a 5-megapixel macro camera in the back. It also features a 32-megapixel front camera. The smartphone is powered by Android version 10.0 operating system with 1.8 GHz and 2.2 GHz Qualcomm with SD730G octa-core processor, ensuring a smooth performance. This smartphone runs on a 7000 mAh lithium-ion battery. The box includes handset with non-removable battery, travel adapter, USB Type-C to C, ejection pin, and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For further information, visit the product detail page.